Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to end up growing into an uptrend. Probably eventually look something like that, most likely taking out these highs. Probably going to be a nice uptrend for a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, whether it's an A or whether it's a 1, definitely doesn't matter to me. Either way, I'm looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can start to see the structure of this uptrend. Looks like a wave 1. This move down looks to me like a wave 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3 right now. Now, we did make a pullback on the sort of time frames, but I do not see any reason at all to think this wave 3 is over. I actually think that we're heading up to take out this structure. Probably, like I said, making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this looks to me like a wave 1. This is 3 waves down, ABC of 2, and I believe this is all part of a wave 3. Now, as you'll notice, we never broke any structure to the downside. It looks to me like an ABC already, and that it may already be continuing the uptrend. The higher time frames definitely look like the trend has a long ways to go to the upside. Shorter time frames, I just need to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we got nice impulsive down, looks like an A. This is all very corrective, very overlapping, probably all a wave B. Irregular top because it took out the high of the previous trend. So an irregular top or an irregular wave B. And then we have almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for the wave C. Now this wave C made a higher low, but that does happen quite often, especially in a strong trend. We have an impulsive move up, we have a break of structure. I think this trend is up, and I believe that we have a long ways to go to the upside, so I'm going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now we do have to remember that we have federal funds rate news coming out for the US dollar today in about 8 or so hours, so that is definitely going to affect the market. The fact that this already looks like it ended a wave C makes me think that this is probably going to spend the next 8 hours or so correcting. Then when the news comes out, I bet this is going to make an impulsive move up and most likely continue the uptrend. Like I said, all the higher time frames are definitely telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I'm just going to continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. And especially with this break of structure to the upside, a pullback is very likely. And then hopefully when the news comes out, we'll get a really nice entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.